The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In Kupiansk direction, the enemy units, forming up to a battalion tactical group, attempted to attack Russian positions towards Kuzemovka of Lugansk People's Republic. Russian artillery and army aviation have neutralized the units of the armed forces of Ukraine. Over 140 Ukrainian personnel, 3 tanks, 2 infantry fighting vehicles, 3 armored vehicles, and 5 multi-purpose motor vehicles have been eliminated. In Krasny Liman direction, the attacks of 3 company tactical groups of the Ukrainian armed forces towards Stelmakhovka, Ploshchanka and Kromennaya in Lugansk People's Republic have been frustrated. Intensive action by Russian troops, supported by artillery, has resulted in the neutralization of the enemy. Over 60 Ukrainian personnel, 1 tank, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 3 pickups and 1 motor vehicle have been eliminated. In South Donetsk direction, artillery units and assault groups have neutralized Ukrainian armed forces units near Novomikhailivka, Pavlovka and Vremevka of Donetsk People's Republic. Over 120 Ukrainian personnel, 2 armored personnel carriers, 2 armored vehicles, 1 pickup and 2 motor vehicles have been eliminated. In Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction, 2 enemy mechanized infantry companies, supported by tanks, attacked Russian forces positions towards Sablukovka and Sukhanovo in Kherson region. All the attacks have been repelled. Artillery, assault and army aviation have neutralized the Ukrainian armed forces units. Over 80 Ukrainian personnel, 3 armored fighting vehicles and 4 motor vehicles have been eliminated. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 5 command posts, including one of the 15th National Guard Regiment near Krasny Liman of Donetsk People's Republic. Those of units from the 60th Infantry Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Vysokopolye, Novaya Kamenka, Chervonoye of Kherson region, as well as 87 artillery units at their firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 179 areas. A command post of the Security Service of Ukraine has been neutralized near Kupiansk of Kharkov region. 1 munitions and military equipment storage base of the Ukrainian Armed Forces has been neutralized near Volnyansk of Zaporozhye region. 6 ordnance depots have been destroyed near Ivanovka of Kharkov region, Slavyansk, Drushkovka of Donetsk People's Republic, Novaya Kamenka and Petropavlovka of Kherson region. 1 self-propelled fire unit of Bugam-1 air defense missile system has been destroyed near Belogorka. 1 Ukrainian radar of S-300 air defense missile system has been destroyed near Novonikolaevka of Kherson region. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces has shot down 1 MiG-29 airplane of Ukrainian Air Force near Velikoaleksandrovka of Nikolaev region. Air defense facilities have shot down 1 Mi-8 helicopter of Ukrainian Air Force near Ugledar of Donetsk People's Republic. Moreover, 9 unmanned aerial vehicles have been shot down near Kalininskoye, Sadok, Tomarino in Kherson region, Stepnoye, Nikolaevka and Zeleny Gai of Donetsk People's Republic. In addition, 27 projectiles launched by US-manufactured HIMARS multiple launch rocket system have been intercepted near Leninskoye, Mospino of Donetsk People's Republic and Novaya Kakhovka of Kherson region. In total, 331 airplanes and 169 helicopters, 2,435 unmanned aerial vehicles, 386 air defense missile systems, 6,335 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 882 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,554 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 7,048 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.